Hey, I'm your drawing teacher Rihanna Merchant. Today we are going to learn. Come on, today we learn number 4. First you have to write number 4 like this. See. Then you join this here like this. See, and then you do semicircle like this. It is a sailboat. Okay. Second we'll do here. See, write number 4 like this. And then you do like this. Draw like this. Curve. Like a cactus. Then pot. See now, next write 4 number like this and join this point to this point and do triangle like a kite. Okay. See, fourth one, write 4 number like this. Then extend like this curve line. Now you do sketch pen, black sketch pen will do. See, all 4 are 4 numbers writing in a black sketch pen. You can see properly. And then now I will do coloring. Okay. See, I done black sketch pen. Now I will do coloring. See, I done coloring. I write number 4 and draw the picture with the help of number 4. Please like, share and subscribe. Rihanna Merchant.